If you are trying to figure out what you can comfortably afford, it helps to know what actually makes up your monthly payment. Your monthly housing payment is made up of more than just your mortgage payment. When people talk about a mortgage payment, they're often talking about the principal and interest on the loan. But when you're budgeting for a home, those aren't the only numbers to look at. You also need to consider property taxes and homeowners insurance, since those costs are part of your total monthly payment as well. Here's how it works. The principal is the portion of your payment that goes toward paying down the amount you borrowed. So if you took out a mortgage for $900,000, the principal is the part that gradually reduces that balance over time. Interest is the part of the payment that goes to the lender as the cost of borrowing the money. And in the early years of a mortgage, a larger share of your payment typically goes toward interest, while a smaller share goes toward principal. Then over time, that begins to shift, and more of your payment starts going towards paying down the loan balance. Now let's talk about the two other pieces buyers need to budget for: property taxes and homeowners insurance. Property taxes are based on the property and local tax rules. Homeowners insurance helps protect the home itself. So when you look at your total monthly housing payment, it should include principal, interest, property taxes, and homeowners insurance. That's why someone might look at a loan amount and monthly payment online and then be surprised when the actual payment is higher than expected, because the real payment is more than just principal and interest. And depending on the property or loan program, there may also be other costs to consider, like mortgage insurance or HOA dues. That's why I always like to walk buyers through the numbers in a simple, real-world way. Not just what the loan looks like on paper, but what the actual monthly payment could look like based on the property, the down payment, and the overall structure of the loan. Whether you're a first-time buyer, buying a move-up home, looking at an investment property, or thinking about a second home, the goal is the same. You want to understand where the payment is going so you can budget with confidence and make a smart decision. If you want help understanding what a monthly payment could look like for your situation, reach out. I can walk you through the numbers, help you understand what to expect, and make it easier to plan before you start shopping or making offers. I'm Glenn Rodriguez, and I'm here to help.